So here is the way. You can find this dust pocket very cheap in Japanese supermarket. So in order to replace it in an easy way, remove this. Here is the grip, and push it here and remove this first and crack it. 1, 2, 3. Crack in this step. Here, this small one inside, and the big one is outside. Here is the process. Okay, and close the outer surface. If it is closed perfectly, then it is done.
What happened? Let's see if it is not installed properly.
But the cover will not closed perfectly. So once again, this is small one inside, and close this and this one here. Just focus here. There is a two holes. These two holes. Just install it. Okay, you are done.